We require just one cow and nothing. गाय होगी तो थोड़ा सा अनाज मिल जाएगा, चारा मिल जाएगा, खाना मिल जाएगा, 2 रोटी और 1 गाय होगा तो पूरा घर चल पाएगा। ऐसी स्थिति में काउ सेंट्रिक इकोनॉमी को लेकर के कैसे हम देश को हमें आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, उसके बारे में जब पोस्ट कोविड एरिया में हम आएंगे तो ये कन्वीनियंट एक्शन के बारे में कहते हैं कभी बार ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज, ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज, आपत्ति में अवसर ढूंढने की एक समय आया है। ऐसे समय में हम यदि कल्याण राज्य, राम राज्य या तो micro, small and medium scale industries. या तो पहाड़ी कोई लद्दाखी है, गौरी है, और साउथ की बहुत सी उसकी मैं बात हमें हाउ टू गाय को हत्या करके आकर के पैसा कमाते हैं, ज्यादा मनी यू कैन अर्न when for milk, urine and dung mostly they are not so far because I have devoted my life to see when लेकिन गाय में जो पड़े कहूंगा पूरे विश्व के लिए गाय वो विश्व गाय दूध दे तो इट इज नॉट गिविंग टू ओनली पर्टिकुलर कास्ट और ग्रेड, दैट मिल्क इज cow dung and medicine made from that milk cow ghee, it is for the one caste. That's why it has been called Gao Vishwasya. Another thing is what Matarah Sarvabhutana Gavas शास्त्रों ने कहा सर्व सुख काम ऑल हैप्पीनेस। इसके लिए गाय को उनका अर्थ से का धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष चारों में गाय की उपयोगिता। जीविका प्रदायिनी त्वम माता आजीविका बीइंग दी आजीविका की सोर्स है। गोमय वसते लक्ष्मी नित्यम पवित्रम सर्व मांगल्यम, यानी कि गाय में लक्ष्मी, लक्ष्मी मीन्स के वेल्थ, इट्स काउ वेल्थ। इसको हमें कैसे हमें कैसे गाय का उपयोग करना, इसके बारे में मैं दो दिन आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ। आइए पहले करता हूँ आई विल टॉक अबाउट बिजनेस एंड तो बिजनेस की बात करते हैं तो पहला आता है गाय का दूध, डेयरी का मैं इसलिए पहले लेता हूँ। अपनी इंडियन काउज आपकी श्री आई हैड बीन टू इवन टू सिक्किम। सीरी गाय का दूध 2 रुपये से लीटर कम नहीं मिलना चाहिए। इट हैज so much medicinal values. Cow milk is having highly anti-viral activity, anti-activity. It is very good immune. आजकल जो इम्यूनिटी की बात चल रही है ना, it has been proved scientifically by us, but even Western scientists have proved that milk is really ambrosia. Really, it's a and it's a medicinal. It has मेडिसिनल वैल्यू। हेल्थ के लिए तो है ही। कुपोषण को दूर करना है हमारे देश का, वो भी गाय का दूध संपूर्ण आहार है। तो ऑल विटामिन ऑल इंग्रेडिएंट्स। आजकल जो हमारे मैं भी डॉक्टर को गलत मान्यता थी कि गाय के दूध में जो फैट है, फैट में जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल है और दैट इज हार्मोन हार्ट के लिए, but now it has been proved that cow's milk contains that cholesterol that is better than the LDL and more protective effect for the heart. Very selective nutrients which are useful for sleep. Cow milk and from the milk we go for curd, butter and ghee. See, there is no Western science. Butter oil. You know, people in paralysis, in mental disorders, or other paralytic disease. Cow milk is best medicine. Cow ghee is best medicine. Cow curd is best medicine. So, milk industry. There are so many cooperatives also. Amul is an example. But we can go this more. We can go if we keep 5-10 such type of indigenous cow, and there are so many young in our Delhi, even through them, they are selling 100 liters of milk every day, and they are getting 10 rupees, 80 rupees, 100 small business, but really they are earning. They are and being an entrepreneur, it's a small. Many times they go for medicine. छोटा सा डेयरी butter milk, and we have to give more importance to these indigenous capacity. You know that I'm not going in detail. A2 milk is much better. and safe health. It has been developed by New Zealand scientists, by Australian scientists, and they says Indian cows, both indicates they are both वहाँ की अपनी गाय. See, this is the value we have to explore that idea. And cow milk, cow ghee, there are so many opportunities in so many much market. One of my friend is selling indigenous cow milk at the rupees 35, and he exports also. People who know the real importance of original ghee and the ethically and they are ready to pay. In Ahmedabad, there is one Bansi Gausala, and Gopal के लिए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट basically and he is selling milk at 140 per liter in the so these are the opportunities. I went to Punjab in Robert बहादुर एक यंग लड़का था. पूरी गाय का दूध मिठाई बनाता था, स्वीट्स. गांव में अपने रोपो में आउटलेट, चंडीगढ़ में आउटलेट खोला, and he is like he is making so many sweets, real indigenous cow, and he just like organic food, organic, he is like so many female entrepreneurs keeping 4 a.m. now many if you will be given loan and all other facilities, marketing also they are giving various other. NABARD also giving loan. Now all other banks are we can utilize milk for very. This is one. There are so many groups. Mahila संगठन, I remember एक महिला संगठन ने काव हॉस्टल बनाई. They have given काव पूरा मैनेजमेंट किया हॉस्टल में. दूध बांटा, शहर में बांटा. साथ साथ में उन्होंने they also used income and that सहकारी मंडली महिला सहकारी 1.5 crore rupees every year. It's a group practice nowadays. This may be हम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड या तो करना. There are so in Maharashtra पूरा तबेला गाय की डेयरी फार्म. You can have from 10, 20, 50. Baba Ramdev now is having it will be a corporate way. Sky we can go ahead, whatever we like. Nowadays, the days of indigenous cows milk are coming. We there are a lot of export also for cow milk and cow milk powder, cow ghee, and the medicines made from the cow. See, one of the scientists in Alert, now he is at present our scientist. He has universities. he has developed antibiotic from cow milk. And I'm telling you that it is going to be a really a charismatic and changing the scenario of because it contains so much immunoglobulins, so many somatic cells. From there, he has made antibiotic. So, there are opportunities. Even farmers produce as FPO. There is a government scheme. And if you make FPO and there, if you avail the loan, if it is skills, but at the time of value addition, you come together. Milk is collected at a time one place. There is a processing plant. They keep processing, and after value addition, they are marketing in the city area. So these are the opportunities for small people. See, one thing I will in SC chamber. This is not business of SC chamber. It is the business of field. So they are not going, youngsters are not going to this business, but the compulsion for us to at that time we will have to shift our towards cow economy. And at that time you be with the cow, you will have to live with the cow, you will have to nourish the cow, and you nourish by the cow. So these are the main number one industry. See, there are so many dairy industry. Very small fat calculation machine, dairy equipments, laboratory equipments. This is also a use engineer. You choose this. If you are a scientist, you go for the research lab also. Nowadays, it is compulsion to have so milk to be. We have to it will flourish. So we have to find out the opportunity in cow-based industries. Next, then when I will cow dung and cow urine. See, these are not called the byproduct, but these are byproduct, prime product. Cow urine is best biopesticide, best biopesticide, and the best medicine too. As a doctor, if that I am giving this capsule, that contains 4 6 hydroxycholine, then you will be take it. But if I tell you this capsule, the derivatives derived cow urine, then see, don't afraid of don't start thing. Cow urine contains so many ingredients which are for the as a chemical name and give as an injection also, as a tablet, capsule, as a liquid. But we will change. Okay, so cow urine medicine, pharma industry. One of my friend, see this one. What is this? A2 plus capsule. It is made of cow urine only. Yes, centrifugal cow. Yes, then after operation, after centrifugal, he made the capsule from this cow. So these are the, and he is selling at the 56 rupees per capsule. And there are people who are buying it. He is exporting to America also. He belongs to Surat, and he has diverted his business in pharma industry. The urine, there are so many such type of properties Cow urine contains biopesticide. It's the best biopesticide. At present in our country, we are only 3% biopesticide. 97% using chemical toxic pesticide. And that's why, and now suffering from cancer, diabetes, BP, Parkinson, and other illnesses. Only because of what we are eating unwanted toxic poison, unwanted fertilizer. Now we will have our biofertilizer, biopesticide, and biofertilizer. Cow urine and cow dung is the best fertilizer. Hence, so many properties. Cow dung or indigenous cow dung contains 300 million bacteria in 1 gram of cow dung. And they are really nutritious promoters. So, the era is coming of the biofertilizer, and you can go, you collect the collect cow urine, make medicines, make biopesticide. It's very easy also, not much investment. Maybe cow gosala, we are able to collect 5,000 a day. You go for a plant, big plant, and you can earn more also. So sky is the limit in biopesticide, in biofertilizer, cow dung and cow urine both. Cow dung is Prime Minister was announced. He spoke 2019, 15 अगस्त. अपनी धरती माता को जहर मुक्त करना चाहता हूँ, और धरती माता को जहर मुक्त करके अपने लोगों को जहर मुक्त करना चाहता हूँ थ्रू ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, थ्रू वेजिटेबल्स. जो कहे एवरीथिंग इज पॉइजनस. So we have to go back to again biofertilizer. It's a big industry. You will find even now government is also defined definition of biofertilizer. Government is also providing subsidies and various incentives. All ministries. If you go in a on website government ministry, there are central government and state government, various schemes, various startup, various promotive incentives. You can have the benefit of such type of incentive for the government. Then after biofertilizer, even biofertilizer also, we have to remove NPK, urea and DAP from our country. We are importing every 50, 70,000 crore of such type of potassium, potash, or DAP. 100% out done, then we don't have to import any fertilizer from foreign. Again, आत्मनिर्भर हो जाएंगे, स्वावलंबी रहेंगे, और साथ में बायो फर्टिलाइजर के साथ we will be able to provide good fertilizer to farmers and positively nutrient good our all grain, all our vegetables, all our fruits. That will be again a beneficiary profit. So use biofertilizer plants, small scale. Even now, IFCO and CRIPCO, very Rashtriya chemical fertilizers, they are also being given directive that they will have to manufacture 5 and 10% biofertilizer compulsorily. So the days are coming. Organic farming, farmers are coming for the purchasing such type of fertilizer, pesticide. Again, going to so this will be again a positive cycle. We will have to cut short the vicious cycle. Biofertilizer, pesticide, and then again energy. In energy, we are now thinking of energy, atomic electricity plant, but see our biogas and bio CNG plants, are coming nowadays. Government of India, Petroleum Ministry, MNRE Ministry has announced that there will be for investment coming 5,000 crore. Scheme बन गई है. In 4 crore will be subsidy and 6 crore. And if you go for plant, then ONGC other the Bharat Petroleum or Gujarat Petroleum will pay. So there will be a buyback guarantee also. Huge plants, biofertilizer, plants, and CO2 plants also. So each and every item, CNG, H2S, and will be utilized, and we will get, on the contrary, carbon credit too. We are reducing the carbon emission by such type of eco-friendly gas, and we are utilizing cow dung. So cow dung will have, if you have heard or read that Chhattisgarh government has declared that they give 5 rupees per kilogram, 5 rupees per kilogram average done. There will be 50, he will earn only 50 rupees. An average cow does not require more than 50 rupees for maintenance. Routine maintenance. If you are 20 liters cow, then it will go 200 rupees per day, have more income also. So average farmer can afford the cow after selling the cow dung. And urine, there are so many pharmaceuticals I know, Ayurvedic pharmaceuticals, Ayurvedic companies, they are using cow urine, medicinal, one of the ingredients as a composition. They are using, they are purchasing cow urine at rupees 10 or 20 rupees per liter. And average cow gives 8 to 10 liters of urine per day. See, the farmer, and everybody will 5 or 10 cow definitely 100 rupees per day. Without, I'm telling you, more. So biogas and bio-CNG plant. One of my friends, he is also an orthopedic surgeon. Nearby Baroda, he has established Bharat Bioenergy. You will find it everywhere. He has established 3,500 cow dung from around areas, more than 40 villages. The farmers are getting the price of cow dung. Transport business is going on. Then big plant, biogas plant, he is manufacturing biogas. Then he is also value adding for CNG. He is separating H2S and slurry as a solid fertilizer he is selling. And what he said, there will be more than 41% of ROI. 41%. But unexplored area, again, potential but unexplored. And थोड़ी सूख भी है, भी ऐसा एक गंदा बिजनेस नहीं है ऐसा. We will have to remove our stigma. We will have to change our mindset. We will have to remove our inconvenience. See the biogas, CNG, that will be. Then again, bullock. I will tell you. Now we are going for, but farming, bullock is the best farming, best plowing. But technology again, as I said, we will have to utilize. You will have to have judicious use of technology. Yes, very farm you can utilize big equipment, but bullock power is more than the horsepower. But again, it's shameful for us. We forgot our bullock power. Now we are behind the horsepower. For bullock power, you can produce electricity. You can live with the water also. You can give to the grid also. By producing electricity, you can supply to the grid. Again, bullock will be utilized for transportation also. So these are the various, and then we will go for various small, I think, how many minutes, Dr. Mitraji? There are various utility items to the cow dung.
No, sir. One member, they also want to know that if they are doing some things, what you are guiding them, that where is the center they can go in Bengal, this, like subsidy and where the
See, there is a MSME department in State Ministry. There is Agriculture Ministry, Animal Husbandry Ministry. There are Jilla Udyog Kendra. There are Agro Industry Corporation with each state. So these are the centers from where basically you find out digitally also. State portal, Agriculture portal, MSME portal. But you will first the opportunities. If you want to go for biogas, you go in that portal, MARE, Ministry, and you will find out the whole scheme. If you want to go, suppose if you want to, there are much more fodder plant. So cows or animal will require that prepared food. So there are opportunities for fodder plants also. There are opportunities for cow dung made various products. Suppose in a very small scale. One more at present I am showing you this Ganesha idol. This is made up of totally in small scale, even medium scale also. There are so many entrepreneurs who are made idols. See, this is a plate. See, you can keep on table. Apne table पर रखो. Cow dung. See, this is the kitchen. You can keep kitchen made from cow dung. See, this is again the Ganesha, Lakshmi. Everything. You can make all the items from cow dung. Maybe and 100 employees, Mahila, young, rural area. Nowadays, there is a lot of demand. Everybody knows that it is a radio protective and eco-friendly. It's a radio protective. See, there are so many such type of items. I can show you that. See, these are the one entrepreneur in Nagpur made last year during the days, and he 5 rupees from 1 crore. These are the opportunities. See, these are the sticks, fumigation sticks, धूप बत्ती, अगरबत्ती. आजकल जो कोरोना का समय है, तो कोरोना में we want to fumigate with the sanitizer, but this is the best sanitizer. आप लगा दो, पूरे घर में धुआं फैल जाएगा. थोड़े से बाकी के औषधि डाल दो. It will be best fumigation. जो काटा पूरे कोरोना काल में, तो see, made home. From cow dung. So these are the opportunities where young entrepreneurs of the village, they don't go for it, and with very little investment. You just require one fertilizer for grinding the cow dung. You have to add few pre-mixed material, you require one mold and then the market. And we are promoting the market or from both sides. Also going to, there are also schemes for Mahila. There are Mangam, self-help group. Ladies are, women are giving, getting grants also, subsidy also, and even my Mela also. You know, fairs are going on, big exhibition. In that, they are selling such type of items. So these are the various products we can go for the MSME. Even in last, वो बता दो श्री बहुत बड़ा. You can keep in your table. You can have frame. This is the home. You are see home. You can keep on your wall. You can keep in your table, on your table, and it's really prevents the radiation in your area. So these are various opportunities in cow-based industry. Nowadays, concept of cow there. Suppose you might have heard that for hugging the cow in America, they are charging $100 just for hugging and taking selfie or photograph. But they know living with cow makes me more pure, makes increases my aura. So these are the these are scientifically proved. I am telling you with science. I am not. It is not just a myth. But what has happened? Our old Shastra and our Vedas now, because of that we forgot the science behind that, and our myth or our ritual reggae or science today, we are annoyed with that. But now we explore, reinvent that science behind our culture, behind our doing cow-based industry. Tourism is a big country. You go for a big people, they will learn. Whenever we go, it is a tourism center. गाय के बारे में पोस्टर्स हो, वहाँ का प्रोडक्ट बिकने लगती हो, बच्चे आते हैं एजुकेशन के लिए, अवेयरनेस के लिए, to sensitize them, and you can earn. थोड़ा रिक्रिएशन हो जाएगा.
Sir, thank you for the new and innovative ideas. So,
which one? See, veterinary medicine, even. Veterinary medicine is a very good business in. There are so many diseases also, veterinary disease also. You can have injections and veterinary medicines, even medicines also. Cow dung, cow urine, veterinary medicine you can utilize. Even digitalization and computerization of Gaushala. It's going to be a very. Suppose I am a computer engineer. I am an IT engineer. There are now chips available for total identification of cow and business. We are going for like Aadhaar card. We are going for a Aadhaar card for our animal. It is going to be again entrepreneurship. So digitalization and software making database. All these are, and even marketing. E-market. One of the youngsters, he sells ghee every month 30,000 rupees for ghee. उन्होंने पोर्टल बढ़िया करता है, बेच देता है. So these are there are so many stalls also, retail outlets, only cow dung products, cow-based products, only organic products. So there is even you can export it. You market also. Media, social media, has made more than so that farmers keep directly can understand directly. So this is also a good business. Organic farming is a good business, and even international cooperation. There is a huge demand for our business breed, Gir, Kankres, Sigma, other countries all over the world. So you can breed over here. You can have good muscle, or you can export it also. So this is also going to business. And one more thing, yes, I forgot to breed गाय जो 30 लीटर दूध देती है, उनकी कॉस्ट 3 लाख और उनका फुल 5 lakh 11 lakh rupees. And if you go for that, that is also going from the cement. And nowadays, again, we are but it's not a business to exploit. Now, areas for small scale, middle scale, आप फिल्म भी करना पड़ेगा, तो फिल्म suppose you go for a big company or a big company and you want to establish zone. So we talk India, especially big zone where all जो मेरे से रिसर्च लैब तक और मीडिया से लेकर के एक ब्रीड इंप्रूवमेंट तक की सभी वहाँ इंडस्ट्री होगी. ऐसा है टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क एरिया एक जोन. तो उनसे पेपर बनता है अपना. अभी कल मुझे बात हुई वो चक्रवर्ती, उन्होंने कहा कि यूरिन से आपको हाइड्रोजन मिलेगा, पार्टिकल विल बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर मिक्सिंग इन पेट्रोल. इंडिया ने ये जो अपनी ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्ट्री ने निकाल दिया, प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम यूरिन, गवर्नमेंट विल at the rupees of 45. And such time they announced that these are very earn a lot in this era because there are people in this. That's why I told you that the unexplored area, but very because it is a and I there are thousands of cows. Those were but if you develop contact with them, have a nice collaboration, so you will get those cows and minimal, that will be dry growth. If they are milk, but they are giving urine and dung and cow urine and road, and how few cows will be good. तो उनको जरा फिर से and very good point in our India are giving birth to 15 one cow, and every 3 years one cow will be we have got to expect urine, cow dung, cow milk, and cow breed, cow machinery. It's a big business. Training. गौशाला की engineers are eco-friendly dairy farm. It's a different type to change the mindset. When we will have to shift type of business के साथ सेवा भी होगी यदि we peacefully with healthy calm mind then और इससे ही गौ माता का कल्याण होगा, अभिकरण होगा और हम सही मायने में एक समृद्ध संस्कार वंदन करता हूँ। बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड। आप आइए, पानी पीना है, जमीन और कल्चर को डेवलप करिए और कल्चर के साथ बिजनेस गोदान और अर्निंग विद सेवा हम और पैसा भी कमाए। ये बात मुझे लगता है तो आप सबने मुझे अच्छी तरह से सुना समझा। मैं मानता हूँ कि it's a very tough to go for implementation. Few people will understand me. I guarantee you, यदि आप इस बिजनेस में जाएंगे तो you will never come back. Never see इतना खास प्रोग्रेस होगा like you won't believe. गौ माता के आइए बंगाल को फिर से इस्लाम मलय सलाम वंदे मातरम का नारा इसको बना एनवायरमेंट दो आधार समाज व्यवस्था दो आधार अर्थव्यवस्था में इसी बात के साथ मेरी बात समाप्त करता हूँ। कोई प्रश्न हो या तो चर्चा जो हमारे लिए सरकार यूनिवर्सिटी कामधेनु बच्चों को गौ विज्ञान सिखाएं, बच्चों को नहीं है नहीं बनता। ये बात लोगों को कल्चर में फ्रॉम वेरी we are going for center, we are going for university full research advanced we are going with academic and ICMR criteria, not only Ayurvedic, not to all the एक सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने कहा हमारे जगदीश चंद्र बोस ने वनस्पति में जीव है उनको हमें समझना आएगी तो फिर से तो मैं मेरी बात करके मैं बात करता हूँ कि नई अपना फर्ज निभाए, बनाने के लिए एक सुपर पावर बनाने के लिए हम सब अपना योगदान दें। ये भारत
Thank you. And
Respected Chairman, privilege for me thank you for educative speech on different measures and facilities of the
कौन है तो भी हम लोग
how to go portal से आपने जो किया just find out तो believe me कि we do not know
हम लोग
expert in biology. Well, Chinmay, if you are listening us, so that the people can know that you are the great scientist. So there are so opportunities. बात क्या basically you have to select one subject. एकदम थिक, इट्स रिच इन इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन निकाल करके इफ यू गो फॉर कैप्सूल इट फॉरवर्ड रिस्टोर.
So आपने जो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
जीवा
यस. तो मैं फोन पर बात करता हूँ.
मैंने एक नंबर देता हूँ, सभी नोट करना चाहते हैं तो वो 933 0 27 471 933 10 27 47 है. ये सारी 12 साइंटिस्ट वो just kindly send this number to everybody. कैसे ही थोड़ा पता कर ले
अग्रवाल.
या devoted in this work. Double 9488 499 88. Actually, from Modi. जो भाई को एक नहीं जो और उसको कर दिया ऑल ओवर गो आधारित भोजन गौ की रिसर्च के ऊपर है. कभी फिर से बात करेंगे.
रहेंगे. ओके.
I'm Dr.
मित्तल जी, एसके मित्तल जी, मैं आपको जरा हाँ फुल स्क्रीन पर लाया. बोलिए.
Since 19 you have spoken wonderfully. God bless you, dear from. I feel I have come to acquaintance of your mem like K.K. Singhania ji was
अच्छा, he is there.
and K.K. Singhania I believe is left now. K.K. Singhania West Bengal must be member of association also. It is the last moment only to say Amar Balo, Amar Bengal Vashi, and having having around 40,083 villages in your you have livestock of only 5.2 million cattle, dear friends. You have in West Bengal, when West Bengal started iron industry, nobody knew world. We can sit together and thank you.
चलिए ठीक है, तो हम
हरिओम कटारिया साहब,
हरिओम कौन?
बेंगलोर से सुबराम
बेंगलोर, बोलिए। माइक माइक राज।
गोधर्मा संस्था चलाते हैं हम। बेसिकली बायो सीएनजी और बुल पावर इत्यादि गौशाला रिलेटेड हम काम करते हैं सर।
दीजिए, नहीं बना वाली ताजी बनी लाओ,
का भाषण
पानी पे। तो सुब्बाराव जी, you send me also, right?
Yes, sir.
You are in Bengaluru, proper Bengaluru?
Yes, sir, proper Bengaluru.
Okay, then we will remain in touch regularly.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I will be in Bangalore, I will be there.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can I also have your phone number?
90.
Yes, sir.
देखो, write down 9099 377 577.
9099 377 577.
Yes, and what about you?
Yes, sir. My phone number is 911
Hmm.
043
Hmm.
22
Repeat.
9 3
4
03.
043.
सर मैं यहाँ इसमें मैसेज में भी है।
ओके ओके, आ गया। चलो,
आप नंबर फिर से दे दीजिए सर, मुझे आपका नंबर फिर से दे दीजिए।
सुब्रमण्यम रे
हाँ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್।
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ। ನಂಬರ್ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ।
ओके सर। कटारिया साहब, आपका जो आपने जो प्रोत्साहन दिया है, इससे बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई है और आगे बढ़ के हम बहुत खुश हैं सर।
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यस, सबका सबका साथ सबका विकास।
सच्ची बात है सर।
यस, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
पूरा बर्गर कप दूंगी, तीनों को ऑर्डर देंगे। तीनों का अभी किसका, उसके बाद फिर किसका करेगा दूंगी शायद। आपने एक का कहा था, जल्दी एक का करूंगा, दूसरे का करने का क्या याद देने मिलने की, तो कौन सा मिलने वाली है, काम जो करना है।